This brand is made in Mexico by remanufacturing, and the units are sold through dealers in the USA and Canada. The RGEAZR models, a part of their HvacRepairGuy line, feature durable scroll compressors and louvered panel construction to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage. They use micro-channel all-aluminum coils that resist corrosion and can be field converted for rooftop, downflow installation. They offer basic single-stage 13.4 SEER2 efficient air conditioners paired with basic single-stage 81% AFUE gas furnaces that feature a variable speed blower for quieter and more efficient operation. The RGEAZR models, a part of their HvacRepairGuy line, feature a premium 2-stage air conditioner paired with a basic single-stage gas furnace. All of the units use direct spark ignition, which is not as reliable as brands that use hot surface ignition. The guarantee on the units is only average when compared to other brands, as it does not have a unit replacement guarantee in case of compressor or heat exchanger failure. The brand does not offer models that qualify for the HvacRepairGuy Premium and Ultimate categories. This brand receives an overall 3-star budget pick rating from HvacRepairGuy. Please share your experiences with this brand in the comments section of the HvacRepairGuy YouTube channel.